Hello guys, welcome back, and in this episode we are going to learn about dictionaries and tuples. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is another inbuilt data structure in Python which stores key value pairs. Unlike list or any other data structure, it holds two values at a time. Let's see, I have a data of a car name and its brand associated with it, like Mustang and Ford, XUV, which belongs to Mahindra Group. Now, if I want to create a dictionary, I have to define it using curly braces like this. And if I run this cell, now I have a dictionary D. Let's see the data type of D. It's a Dict. So in this dictionary, Mustang is a key which has a value Ford. Similarly, XUV is a key which has a value Mahindra. Now let's understand one thing, that if I want to access this key value pair, I do it by, we want to access D of Mustang. This key helps me in getting which brand name this car belongs to. So if I want to add a new entry in the dictionary, then we can do it like I define a new key value pair. I say I20, which belongs to Hyundai. So if I now print the dictionary using this items, it will display all the items: Mustang, Ford, one key value pair, similarly another, and I20 and Hyundai. Now if I just want to access only the keys of the dictionary, I just want to know what are the keys. So I can do it by dictionary name dot keys. Dot keys an inbuilt function, and I get Mustang, XUV and I20. Similarly, I can know what are the values: Ford, Mahindra and Hyundai. So basically dictionaries are used to map key value pair and store in a map like inbuilt data structure. If I want to change element of the dictionary, let's say I am saying XUV does not belongs to Mahindra and it belongs to some other group. Now if I want to change this, I will assign a new value to this. And if I print the dictionary, see. So dictionaries are a cool way to store key value pair. Now let's move on to tuples. In tuples are just like list, but tuples are immutable. So tuple, when you define a tuple, in list you define a list by square brackets, but a tuple is defined by round brackets. And if I define something like this, t is equals to 5,6 in round brackets, and I want to know the type of t, it will tell you that it is a tuple. So the tuple is also called as immutable list, where once a tuple has been defined with the value, you cannot change the values. Just like list, you can access it. Like if I want to access the 0th element, which is 5, just like it you can access. But if I want to change the value of 0th element, it will throw an error. It says tuple object does not support item assignment. So that's why it is also called as immutable ordered list, or the list which cannot be changed. So this is it in dictionaries and tuples. See you in the next video.